Have you ever had to replace your bat pins? These little guys here, they're super easy. If you look on the bottom side there, it's got a little wing nut. And so we're just gonna have to loosen that guy. And the top, use a little Allen wrench. Sometimes you need pliers, but most of the time all you need is this Allen wrench. I like to have both of the sizes. The small one I use to clean out the hole if you've got clay trapped in there. So first I'm going to just take the splash pan off so I can reach underneath very easily. Put that to the side, and then I'll take that Allen wrench. I'm going to use the smallest size to get some of that clay out that's stuck inside there, and then the correct size is what I'm going to use to put in. So in order to tighten this is so tight right now, and you'll hear a little pop once it loosens. It takes quite a bit of strength at first, just because, you know, sometimes they've been sitting on there for quite some time. They've had a lot of clay and water and everything else get stuck in there. And so it's a little tight, but don't worry about breaking it. I have never broke one, and I use a lot of strength when I'm doing this. Once you get that loosened, just take the whole thing off. Most wheels are going to have a little wing nut like that. You'll see the new replacements. These guys are a little longer. So if we take the two, let's compare them. See how the new one is a lot longer than the old one, but the size around the diameter of the new one is actually just a hair bigger. The old one is worn down just enough to cause you problems having your bat slip off of them and go flying. So it's nice to have these replaced. Now don't worry about having it longer. When I first got these and I saw how much longer they were, I was a little worried that when it was going around that it would catch on the splash pan or it would cause some kind of problems. There's no problems with the length of it at all, so don't let that concern you. I think the main point of this would be to get that nice and tight when you get the new ones on. Make sure that you're using a bit of strength with the Allen wrench, but also have your hand underneath. See that little wing nut? Put your hand on that wing nut and just really get that nice and tight under there. That is going to be key. If these are loose at all, your bat is going to wobble, and that's going to cause you a lot of problems. So make sure once you get this on there, you tighten it up really nice and tight. And that's it. It's a very easy fix. It's inexpensive. I think you can get a set of these for a little over $3. The wheel I'm working on is a Brent, but I also did a Skutt. It's the only one that was a little different. It has this little plastic nut that goes on the other side, and it holds very well. But now here I've got the Speedball, and that one's got the wing nut, same size of screw. And then here's the Shimpo, same thing. They all look very close to the same. Thanks for watching.